Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This morning I weighed myself and I was 59.85 kilos, so no loss and no gain since yesterday, and that's very surprising. Let's take a look at the meals. I first started with just fresh cheese and nectarine with a little bit of walnuts. I did not have any muesli yesterday morning, and then I walked a lot. Then I did a really big walk, had a little coffee because I felt like it. It was Monday morning, so I felt like it. Was very happy after that, and then I ate my second meal, so 2 eggs, 2 toasts at 11:30. Sorry, there was watermelon as well before that, watermelon. And then yeah, I actually finished my last meal and that I ate between 2 and 2:45. I had tofu, potatoes in the air fryer, so no fat added, just a little bit of mayonnaise, about 1 tablespoon to dip the potatoes in. And I had raw carrots. I made a batch of raw carrots that I chopped, which is going to be easy to just eat on the go. I did not have any dessert. I did not have any ice cream, nothing. So why am I saying that's very surprising? In terms of step counts, 21,451 steps yesterday for 11.4 kilometers. That's like a lot. No, I didn't go to the gym because it was my day off, but I mean, let's take a look at the numbers, okay? 1,229 calories total for the day because there was no ice cream. 242 calories came from protein. That's not bad. 583 calories came from carbs. It's normal. A lot of potatoes. Okay, fair enough. And 404 calories came from fat, which is coming from the walnuts, the mayonnaise, and butter on the bread. Okay, but I didn't have as much as usual, so that's very surprising. 0 calories came from dessert. And yeah, you know, I fasted for 18 hours because I stopped eating at 2:45 p.m. up until this morning at 8:30. So, you know, I was sure I would see a little 100 grams off the scale or some kind of, you know, some kind of loss, but you never know how your body is going to react. And it might just retain some water. Again, I did lose 700 grams the night before, so it doesn't mean that every day, even if I'm doing everything right in terms of weight loss or low calorie count. I'm very filling because, to be honest, after an hour and a half after eating my last meal, I was still feeling like I had eaten too much, and that's simply because there was a lot of volume. So low calorie food, high volume will fill up your stomach. But you might, you know, if you're not used to eating, I never eat at 2 p.m. I eat at 6, 7. And so for that reason, my body's not used to having a meal at 11:30 and then a meal at 2. So I was, you know, I could feel the digestion. It was a bit heavy. But other than that, in terms of it was pretty low calorie. So we'll see today if it happens. But today I'm going to the gym, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to fast like I did yesterday. Anyways, it doesn't matter. It was a very good day, very, very good day in terms of fasting. I wanted to try to fast at night. And it is true that it was a lot easier not to eat ice cream, because who eats ice cream in the morning or for lunch? I mean, I did the day before, but you know what I mean? It's a lot more tempting at night. But I didn't have any in the fridge, and it doesn't mean I wouldn't have had one if I had some in the fridge, okay? After my tofu, potatoes, and carrots, I was a little bored. So yeah, I could have had, you know, a little ice cream. I did not. So overall, a very good day. I feel good today. I was very hungry when I woke up this morning. So I'll talk to you tomorrow about today's feedback. Again, I don't know. I'm going to the gym. I'm not sure I'm going to be able to fast, but I will try. And I will give you feedback on that data. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.